Making the probe connections. Open the access door on the probe head connection box. This is a powder-coated aluminum insulated box at the rear of the probe with a male cam lock fitting at the bottom. You will notice that the probe head is insulated. There are also two sample line connections, one for the A train and one for the B train, and three thermocouple connections, one for the trap, one for the stack, and one for the probe. The heated umbilical contains the mates for the two sample lines, the three thermocouple connections, the probe amphenol power connector that attaches to the keyed fitting on the probe head, and an extended end of self-regulated heater cable to provide controlled heat in the probe head. Feed the sample lines, thermocouples, and heater cable through the male cam lock connector. Rotate the cam lock connector to position the power connector as close as possible to the power connection on the probe head, and pull the cam lock levers down to secure the umbilical connection. Let's make the probe head connections. First, make the thermocouple connections. The umbilical lines are labeled trap, stack, and probe. Connect each one to its corresponding connection in the probe head. Once the thermocouple connections are complete, connect the sample lines. The two sample lines are color-coded to differentiate between them. The A train sample line is color-coded red, and the B train sample line is color-coded blue. These connections should be finger-tightened, then tightened to provide a leak-tight connection using a wrench. Finally, guide the heater lead around the top of the probe head. At this point, the probe head connections are complete, and the probe head can be closed and secured. Once this has been done, the probe power connection can be made. The power connection is keyed to only fit one way. It should be tightened snugly using only the fingers.